Let's take a look at this example. Okay, first please notice that first input is connected directly to VCC. So I'm going to have always logic 1 at this input. When switch is open, second input is connected to the pull down resistor. It gives me logic 0 at this input. So 1 exclusive NOR 0 gives me 0. That's why I'm not going to perform any long analysis, just simply draw logic 0. Okay, because the switch is open and I have just 1 and 0 at the inputs, that's why output is logic 0. So I'm finished with the first part of my problem. Let's close the switch right now and let's see what will happen. If you are going to close the switch, the input signal will go through the gate. Now we're supposed to perform the long analysis. So if you want to do so, you're supposed to draw the dashed line at every single transition from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay, so I have 0, exclusive NOR 1, 0, exclusive NOR 1 gives me 0. 1 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 1. 0 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 0. 1 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 1. 0 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 0. 1 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 1. And I have 0 exclusive NOR 1 gives me 0. Now I can draw the waveform. 0, 1, 0, and I have 1, 0, 1, 0. Please notice that if switch is closed, your circuit is going to pass the input waveform to the output. So these two waves are the solutions to my problem.